Meaning of dissonance.
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 Dissonance. Dissonance refers to a lack of harmony or agreement between two or more things. It can refer to musical notes that clash, or it can describe conflicting ideas or beliefs. In the context of psychology, cognitive dissonance refers to the mental discomfort experienced when holding contradictory beliefs or values. This discomfort often leads to attempts to resolve the dissonance by changing one's beliefs or behaviors. Dissonance can create tension and conflict, but it can also lead to personal growth and development as individuals work to reconcile conflicting ideas and values.